Hello, this is a video lesson on subject and object pronouns. Most important, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that can replace a noun or a noun phrase in a sentence. Like in this example. Maria bought a pair of boots. Maria is the subject and it can be changed to she. A pair of boots is the object that can be changed to them. So we would get she bought them. Let's see subject and object pronouns. I, you, he for a male, she for a female, it for an animal or an object, we for the first person plural, you for the second person plural, and they for the third person plural. Now let's see object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it, us, you, and them. When do we use each type? Use subject pronouns for when we are speaking about the person, animal or thing that does something. Maria bought a pair of boots. Maria buys a pair of boots, so Maria can be changed to she. The neighbor's cat ate the tuna sandwich. The neighbor's cat is the animal that does a thing, so we could change it to it. Sometimes if the animal is a pet and we know if it's a male or a female, we can use he or she. So here we could say he ate the tuna sandwich. Also, use subject pronouns for the person, animal or thing that we are speaking about. I met Jack last summer. He is my boyfriend. The boots were a bargain. They were a bargain. And use object pronouns for the person, animal or thing that receives the action of the verb, like in Maria bought a pair of boots at the sales, where a pair of boots receives the action of the verb buy and can be changed into them. Getting Maria bought them at the sales. Or the neighbor's cat ate the tuna sandwich. Where the tuna sandwich would be the object, and we could change it to it. Getting the neighbor's cat ate it. I met Jack last summer. Where Jack is the object of the sentence. And so, due to the fact that he is a man, we could change it to the pronoun him, getting I met him last summer. Object pronouns can be used for other situations, such as after the verb to be. Who's there? It's only me, a cute little ghost. Or in comparisons, like in she is taller than me. And after prepositions, like in they arrived before us. Some verbs take two objects. One is a direct object, which is usually a thing, and the other is an indirect object, which is usually a person. Like in the sentence, Maria bought a pair of boots for her sister. A pair of boots is a direct object and her sister is the indirect object. Or in the sentence, Maria bought her sister a pair of boots, where the indirect object is in the first position and the direct object is in the second position. If the direct object is a noun phrase, we use this word order. Maria bought her sister a pair of boots. But we can swap them round, like in Maria bought a pair of boots for her sister. In this case, we use for or to, depending on the verb. Like in my father gave his brother a pair of socks, or my father gave a pair of socks to his brother. The best thing you can do is check a dictionary to see which preposition is needed for each verb. If the direct object is a pronoun, we use this word order. My father gave them to his brother, where we can change his brother to a pronoun, getting my father gave them to him. The other way round would sound horrible. Compare these two sentences. My father gave them to him, which is correct. And my father gave him them, which isn't correct. In which case, it would be better to use this word order. My father gave him a pair of socks. That's all for now. Find more videos, activities and stuff on my blog, blogdeserena.blog. And if you liked the activity, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you very much for watching.